Hello guys, Delmiz here, and today I want to share with you, as usual, the unboxing and the reviewing only. I'm not testing this today because the weather is not clear outside, outdoors. So today we are unboxing and reviewing the this product that I have bought from AliExpress 15 days ago. It is a pack of 3 wireless speedlights from GODOX. So let's go to see what is inside. So after unboxing this package, I didn't talk too much about the accessories that the seller sent with the 3 speedlights. So the first accessory is this softbox that comes with the speedlights. We have also these diffusers, a diffuser per speedlight. Besides that, we have another type of diffusers. It's like a softbox diffuser, can be triggered easily on the head of this speedlight, so we can have less harsh light from the speedlight when we use it indoors. Also, we have this kind of diffusers. It has 2 faces, one chromic face with one white face. So whatever we want to use, whether the chromic or the white, unique face, so it is easy to put on the head of the speedlight, and it gives us this result. Nice. We have also another kind of diffusers with some filters, color filters. So if you want that our speedlight gives us a specific color, light color, we can put any of these filters on inside this space here and put them on the speedlight. When it brights, it gives us the color that we already put inside this case here. So altogether, the unboxing of this package, then reviewing. I'm not going to test it today because the weather is not clear outside. It is cloudy and rainy day, but I promise to do it as soon as possible, maybe this weekend or the next week. I would like to mention that this package and the products inside had been arrived in a perfect condition. Like you have just seen in the unboxing, the package contains 3 GODOX TT600 with this trigger, a wireless flash trigger, the X2T for Canon. What pushed me towards buying this product of 3 GODOX TT600 flashes with the X2T flash trigger, wireless flash trigger, because when these speed lights are combined with this flash trigger, They give me the opportunity to shoot up to 1 on 8,000 because they are able for a sync speed of this number, this huge number. The usual flashes and speed lights are able only to shoot 1 on 200, while these speed lights with this flash trigger, they shoot up to 1 on 8,000. Also, there are the ability of connecting this flash trigger with our smartphones via Bluetooth. The other thing is that we are able to use this flash trigger with all GODOX products, speed lights, flashes, strobes. It seems that I'm so satisfied with buying this product. It costed me about 50 euros. And until I do the test of these speed lights this weekend or the next week, do not forget to push the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see together the next upcoming videos. Peace.